What's up guys, it's me Brian. Today we are eating ice cream. Say hello to Musti Mirza. Subscribe. He's cutting the ice cream. We are eating balls ice cream. Two chapters. I tell you, we are preparing for our exams. दो चैप्टर है मुस्तफा भाई आप कैसे हैं? This is not a like it. Mustafa, don't mention it in the video. Go and tell her.